Imagine being able to create your very own viral team duplication system built with a complete rebrander tool right within the system itself, that your team can share that entire system that you've created. And you can create this within minutes. No joke. This has never been done before. I don't care what you've seen out there. This has never been done. Within minutes, you're going to be able to create not one, not two, but multiple different landing pages that are basically viral team duplication systems built with their very own rebrander tool, that your team can use that and share that same page. You design it, you create it the way you want, and we've got templates to help you to get set up and that you can run a duplication system within minutes. And we're going to talk about this. On the link below, you'll be able to learn more about this. You'll be able to create a free account to get access to the features within Rebrand Express. However, this new tool is a completely separate tool. It's part of the pro features. It's not free, but you don't have to pay monthly for it. It's just a one-time. And when you grab it, you'll be able to create multiple landing pages for your different income opportunities, and you become the leader. You'll be able to share that page, and your team do not need this Rebrand Express if they don't want to. But they can still use your landing pages because it's got its own built-in rebrander tool that you can share out the page. They can see that they can rebrand it. They'll join you because you've got the value, but you create this page how you want. Let me just show you what this page will look like. And obviously you customize it yourself, but it's got all the features necessary that you can set it up the way you want. The video presentation, everything is all completely customizable. The color scheme, the textures, the backgrounds, everything is completely rebrandable. So you get the system built with a complete rebrander tool. You decide what company you're promoting, and then obviously the call to action button will go to whatever company being promoted. You decide, and then your team will create their own links using the brander tool, and they'll be able to share this page out that you created. It's got your video, whatever presentation video you have. You customize the text, the features and everything, headline, subheadline, the attention bar and one. It's all customizable. You can create multiple pages like this for your different business opportunities. Now, why would this be powerful? Well, let's say, for example, you joined a brand new income opportunity. Everyone's going crazy. Who are they going to join? The fact of the matter is that people do sponsor shop. And because in this day and age, people are skeptical about who they're going to join. They're not only skeptical about the business opportunity, but they're also skeptical about who they're going to join. But if they see that they're potentially going to join a team who already has a viral duplication system that's going to make it easier for them, that does the heavy lifting within the system, it's got a nice presentation video, you've customized it, and it's unique for your team, then they're more likely to join you because you've got the value. This is what I found that has worked well for me, because I basically have the skills to create things like this. Now I'm handing those skills over to you, but making it easy for you to set it up. You don't have to figure out the coding, because normally this kind of coding would require something quite complicated to set something like this up. I've created these kind of viral rebrander pages for years for different businesses, and it really helps to get people to make that decision to join. If your team are equipped with these kind of tools, then it's going to be powerful. What are you going to see? When you join Rebrand Express, you'll be able to register, click on the link, and then when you're in the back office, you'll get the various features that are already inside Rebrand Express. But in addition to the other features, you'll also have an opportunity to consider whether you want to upgrade and get the extra features, such as this rebrander tool. But not only that, you'll also get unlimited funnel creation system, because there's a built-in funnel builder as well. You'll be able to create your own funnels. I'm not just talking about capture pages, I'm talking about full-blown funnels, guys, with landing pages, bridge pages, and you can create the funnel. You can create up to 3 pages for free on the free plan. But if you want to upgrade, you'll be able to create unlimited pages and piece together your funnels, and you'll be able to connect it up with Leads Leap and create as many lists. You'll be able to hook up more than one list, multiple lists. You're promoting different companies. It's got nothing to do with, you can promote any company with this system. But in addition to that, as an upgrade, you also get to unlock the full rebrander system, which is a separate module in itself. And you'll be able to learn more about it, watch the videos, learn more about it here. There's a one-time $25, you'll be able to get access to and unlock everything. Get the training center, everything. Check it out. Let me just go through a little bit about what this is. When you unlock it, you'll be able to access the Rebrander page tool. This is a separate system to your funnel creation system. This is a rebrander. Basically, you're creating a landing page. You'll be able to watch the training video here. We've also got the training videos in the back there. But when you come here and you've upgraded, you'll see a blank canvas. But you can create multiple different pages for different companies. You can go here, create the page. And you've even got a way to open up the templates to give you a starter. But you wouldn't want to rely on these. They're just giving you a kind of a visual understanding of, it'll fill in part of the form and set it up. But you've got color scheme, you've got textures, and you can just play around with it, add the text, just follow the on-screen instructions. Obviously, you put in what company name. Let's say I'm going to go health and wellness, put in the template, but obviously you'd want to put in your URL. Just follow the on-screen instructions, watch the video. It'll guide you every step of the way. But basically what you're doing is you're basically creating the page. I'm just going to show you with the existing pages. With this page, I created one for a company. But obviously, if you wanted to change, and you can edit, maybe change, it's currently orange. Let's say I'm going to just change it to something like teal, and you can change the background. Let's have a look, pick a background, whatever. Actually, I'm just going to go for this. Click save, and then you just refresh the page. And as you can see, the background texture has changed, the colors have changed, and the whole thing immediately changes. And obviously you have control over the text, headline, subheadline. You can change the video, and all the elements, the text elements can be changed. I mean, that's how it works, guys. It's really that simple. And you just share it out with your team. Obviously, you want to make sure that you've put your own username, but you can make it your username can be the default. If there's no user ID in the URL string for whatever reason, then it still defaults to yours. However, this is how obviously you'd want to share out your correct links, and that's why it's got a built-in rebrander tool. It just works with any company that you've set it up for. And you just copy it to clipboard. You put your link in the URL, and then with your user ID, click, and then just test, and it just works. And the call to action button would go to whoever rebranded it. Simple as that. Anyway, check it out, guys. I hope you like it, and look forward to welcoming you aboard. Bye for now.